Hello, welcome on Cosmetology channel. Today we'll be doing another unboxing of Scandinavian Beauty Boxes. We did last month exactly the same exercise with really cool giveaway and very big congratulations to the winner. And today we will open 3 boxes. This is Goodie Box. I have also prepared Beauty Box from Lookfantastic, and we have a Glossy Box. So let's get started. The Goodie Box is the brand that is focusing a lot on partners and brands that have natural vegan components, ingredients, and this is how they are building environmental awareness across Scandinavia that I really like. So this is a bit special box for me. I have to say I really care for them because I really support brands that use natural vegan ingredients and also think about packaging. First product we have a micellar water makeup remover for face and eyes from La Vigière, and this product is from Greece. So cool to try something like this. Okay, next one we have Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and this is mineral blush in color Amaretto. It's like peach rose, super beautiful, really nice. I already like it. And then we have something from Pixie. They are very characteristic with their colors. So it's Pixie Shea Butter Lip Balm. Okay, really moisturizing lip balm. Amazing. The color is matching me and my today's makeup perfectly. Awesome gift. And then we have organic body scrub from Hygiens, and again non-animal testing, bio-organic vegan product. So cool. And then we have, is it from Nira? Yes, I love their brushes. I love their brushes. You can see them in my Instagram videos. So here we have a brush. Really beautiful. Oh, it's it's extremely soft. It's so soft. I know that they have vegan products. All parts of the brush are recyclable. So yeah, thanks Nina to be part of this box again. And the last on the list is a clip for hair. I will use it for some hair masks or Olaplex or hair oiling, even better. Okay, that was the Goodie Box. So many goodies, so many good products, guys. I'm sorry, my hair is very messy. I maybe will spray them with something so they will stay in the position. Okay, and now we'll be opening Beauty Box from Lookfantastic. We have some nice newspaper, perfectly packed box, and it's very light, I have to say. Here we have Wipe Out eco-friendly microfiber cleaning cloth, removes makeup with just water. Wow, so awesome. It's recommended that you should put it to the laundry machine before use. Okay, it looks like this. Very interesting. Very soft. I will test it for you on my Instagram videos, so go back to my Instagram, Natural Skincare by Kate. Okay, so this was number uno. And then we have Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. I love Avant. I love this company. They have amazing products. They are very expensive, so I'm happy I got it in the Lookfantastic box. This is the cream from Sweet Almonds. This cream is rich in many ingredients. We have shea butter as a second ingredient. We have a lot of moisturizing factors. We have allantoin. We have also oil from Sweet Almond. We have hyaluronic acid. We have lactic acid. We have glycerin. So nice. And then we have some facial mask from Kores. Hydrobiome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. We have also here a sweet almond oil. We have actually yogurt as a second ingredient. Very interesting mask. Something to try. And the product is from Greece. So we have a Greek yogurt here. And then we have, what is that? Hyaluronic plumbing mist. Bottle and the cap is recyclable. It's vegan and it's 99.9% of natural ingredients. Awesome. The company is Balance Me. And then we have brow gel from Eco London. I wanted to have brow gel because I don't have any, and sometimes my brows are very messy, very messy. So yeah, no, there's one more thing, sorry. Sweet potato pigment, 100% natural ingredients. Lookfantastic, you are making progress here. We have vegan and natural ingredients here and natural vegan products here. Dr. Lipp, formulated on Dr. Lipp multi-hour winning balm, famous for its long-lasting moisturize. I will not put it on because I have pixie on me, but so cute, and yeah, sweet potato pigment, so cool. Glossy Box. First we have discount for Glacia. I think those are 4 bottles for water. There is discount of 40 euro on those. And then we have shower jam, made in Sweden Passion, all skin types, vegan skincare science. Ooh, another brush. I am one of a kind, it's called Red Air. Beautiful brush, perfect for blending. Never enough of those, I would say. Never enough of blending brushes, yes. And then we have Brazilian Bam Bam Cream, fast absorbing body cream. This is 25 milliliters, very small, but maybe there is some speciality about it that I am not aware of. So let's check this out. And then we have Coach Dreams New York perfume, 5 or 3 milliliters. Oh, sorry, I thought this was it, but sorry, I forgot about Steve Lauren. It's classic square box for eyeshadows, probably. Oh, beautiful palette. It has nudes, it has metallic colors, it's really, really beautiful. I would say it's perfect for blonde and dark hair, for really beautiful palette. And which box is the best? Is it the Goodie Box? The blush from Bella Pierre and a lot of vegan products, scrub, pixie lip gloss, brush and makeup remover. Is it the Glossy Box? I would say that the shower cream and the small body cream is not making the box really fantastic, but the palette and the eyeshadows. And then those as a combination make it really interesting. I'm not sure, but maybe this is the winner for me. This remove makeup wipe out fiber cleansing cloth. I think it's very interesting. We have Avant here, we have eyebrow gel, we have some face mist and face mask and something for lips. I think this is my favorite from this month. What do you guys think? What is your favorite? Leave it in the comments. And that was the unboxing. So many interesting products, I have to say. Let's test them all. So thank you very much for today and see you in the next video. Bye!